Hi, there's Jerry again with Sky Management, and we're going to give you a great cleaning tip today. We've done a little bit of research, and from what we've understood, if you have a really nasty toilet tank, it can actually hamper the ability for the toilet itself to flush because it gets a lot of calcium, lime, and rust buildup in the actual tank. And come have a look at how nasty this is. This toilet has been here for a little while, and clearly it has some issues going on as far as nasty calcium, lime, and rust buildup throughout the entire thing. So what we have read up on is to try to take vinegar, and what we have is about 2 gallons worth. We've got 4 bottles of this. We're going to dump in here and just let it sit. We got our 2 gallons worth. This is what we bought. You could probably use a little bit more. So what we're going to do is after I've dumped this in there, we'll fill it up to the maximum height it can with the rest of the way with water and then let it sit. So let's get this party started. We have let this sit here for about 40 minutes, and it is starting to break apart some of this calcium and stuff you see floating around in here, but it is still looking kind of nasty. What we're going to do, let's go ahead and let this sit overnight, and we'll come check on it tomorrow and flush it down and rinse it out and have a look, because I'm not impressed with what I see so far, but let's give it a little more time and see what happens. All right, it's been 24 hours. We've got our white vinegar going in here. Come on, let's have a look and see what it did. Come on around here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Would you look? It left all the brown because this is not CLR. There is no R for rust. So that is still a little bit there. But look, all of the schmuckus, all of the white calcium and lime is all gone. It's all just dissolved in there. That looks way better. I know it may not tell that way from the picture, but it does. I think if you've got a slow running toilet that's got a lot of nasty buildup in the back, for as cheap as this was, I think it costs about $3 or $4 for all the white vinegar that we used. I'd say it's definitely worth a shot. Give it a try.